Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel The Magical Aura. So today we are going to see your April month predictions and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming month. Alright, so for those who have already seen my Instagram trailer, because I have uploaded a small trailer in my Instagram page, The Magical Aura only. So over there I just uploaded a small video. Now we are going to get into the detailed version of my video. So just before that, this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you guys. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. All right. So let's get started now. Your overall energy, Taurus, is the Empress. So this is your energy. The Empress is you. So it means growth. It means power, that which is actually within. So I feel that there is a lot of growth in you. There is like the overall energy is like you are motivating yourself enough and you are doing whatever is keeping you happy, whatever is making you grow in your daily life and motivating yourself, just being the best version of yourself in the coming days, in the upcoming days. It's very beautiful, it is a very beautiful card. You might be able to connect to the nature. Somebody might be pregnant over here or going to be pregnant, because it also tells us about pregnancy. It also tells us about a new life coming up in the, the world. All right, so your past energies are the Fool in reverse, Ace of Cups and Nine of Wands. This tells us that there was a decision. You might have taken some bad decisions or some risks in your life which actually were not really good. It might be in terms of in areas of love or in areas of new beginnings of anything, but it was like something which you couldn't deal with it for a long time, and all those risks and all those bad decisions, they became really complicated and they messed up your whole life. So but in the past only you tried to work on those stuff. With the Nine of Wands over here, it tells us that you worked on it and you recovered quickly from those difficulties, from those bad experiences. In the present, the World, the Wheel of Fortune and Ten of Pentacles, we are telling over here that, there is a plan which you have, and we are going to clarify these cards as well. So, in the present, the World is telling us and the Wheel of Fortune is telling us that whatever plan, whatever things you were, which were meant, it is a feeling of the wholeness, okay, the fulfilling nature of yours. So this is that feeling where just stick to the plan. The universe is trying to tell you, just stick with the plan, whatever plan you had, and just move bit by bit, slowly by slowly, because there is a lot of good things coming your way. It's like your hard work is actually paying off. So that is what it is coming up in the reading. In the future energies, we have the Two of Cups, Queen of Wands and the Hierophant. It tells us that these broken things, broken relationship, broken marriage, broken something, okay, so whatever partnership it was there, it is going to mend by itself. You do not have to do anything for that. It will mend by itself. Just stop focusing on that. Stop overthinking on that stuff, because it will just make you feel like, what am I doing? So just leave the moment where it was and it will mend by itself, and you will be really surprised to know that it will become more stronger than before. Okay, so just stick, like, this is the Hierophant card. It is like, just you need to just wait for the right moment. It will come by itself. All right, so let's clarify some cards for you. Okay. All right, let's see why the Empress is here in the overall energy. Why Empress is here in the overall energy. Okay, so we have Five of Swords and we have Wheel of Fortune again. So it seems like things were really not so good with the five of swords in this deck. It is looking that, there's a lot of manipulation, a lot of arguments going on, a lot of people involved basically. So when more than two people are involved in a conversation, in any problem, always, like, too many heads, they just spoil the whole thing. So there is a quote for that. So it is that situation you dealt with, many people around you, and it was like, what is your perspective? Okay, so you are talking to your person, you want that person to just think about it, but no, it went really bad. A lot of manipulations and a lot of betrayal as well. I see things really didn't go well, not in your favor, no. But now things are coming up, like they're actually going up in your favor. Let's see why the Fool is there in reverse. Why the Fool is there in reverse? Why? Okay, so the Hierophant. So we have two Hierophants, we have two Wheel of Fortune over here. So, well, the Hierophant is here with the Fool in reverse. So it means that whatever decisions you took in the past, the risks, the new beginnings, that bad decisions, they were not bad for you. When you took those decisions, it was like, I want to enter in this relationship. I need this new beginning. You were really stern, you were really firm in that decision which you made. The Hierophant tells us over that you had, might be some kind of orthodox behavior where you had some rules and regulations and you wanted to follow them, but that's okay. No, nobody is here to judge you how you were before, but you started to understand that whatever those things were, it couldn't have happened if you would not have behaved the way you behaved that time. But it's like a person's nature, right? Let's see why the Ace of Cups is here in the past energies. Why the Ace of Cups is here in the past energies for my Taurus. Ten of Cups. So this was a beautiful, I can say that it can be a marriage as well, because the Hierophant, Ace of Cups and Ten of Cups is here. So it was a marriage as well, a broken marriage, you can say, a broken engagement, something broken, a broken relationship. You entered in that thing and you took really fast decision, I feel, in this new beginning. You took really fast decision, and see how beautiful this card is, Ten of Cups. So it was like you wanted a family, you wanted to grow, you wanted love, you were emotionally attached, you wanted to give everything, but it didn't work out, it didn't come out really well, because the Fool is in reverse. So that's why things happened, like things were not meant to happen this way, but they just happened. Why the Nine of Wands is here? Eight of Swords. Yeah, so you recovered from that thing. It is very good situation where you actually stood up. You stood up by yourself. There's no one else. Like, people actually helped you. People gave you good motivational speeches and all those things, that it's no worries, just take care of yourself, things will be positive, stay strong, and all these things. But you fought with that situation yourself, I feel, with the Nine of Wands and the Eight of Swords. You felt that things are really not going good. You felt at a certain point, you felt like a loser. You felt like, what am I doing? Why I am not able to open my eyes? Your eyes were closed, I feel, with this person. This person was never meant to be yours. It was only one-sided thing. Although it was two-sided, because Ace of Cups and Ten of Cups are here, but you have to take a stand with all these situations, okay? Let's see why the World is here in the present energies for my Taurus World. Knight of Pentacles is here. So yeah, It is telling us, the universe is giving a sign that you are working for your plan slowly. Just stick with the plan, things will be fine. The universe is actually telling you, but just be slow, do not rush things, okay? Just take, like, just walk. You do not need to run right now. Just walk and analyze situations around you. The process is over. That process, because of the world and the Knight of Pentacles, that process is over. You need to start again. You need to just start afresh and just wait for some time, because things will happen better by themselves. Why the Wheel of Fortune is here? Judgment. So we have a Judgment card, and we have the Wheel of Fortune, we have the World. So it seems like you have started working on yourself with the Judgment, with the Knight of Pentacles over here. You have started working for yourself. You have started, like, taking decisions for yourself and taking better decisions than before. The universe wanted you to take a decision in the past, but over there some kind of things they left unsaid. A proper closure was not met, and that is why in present, in the recent past, till the recent past, you just acted like, what has happened, like, why is everything finished, why is the world against me? But in the present, you are realizing that no, the world is not against me, it's me against me, okay? So this is what you actually started experiencing, and you started taking decisions, you started living a very healthy life. Very beautiful cards in your present. Let's see your Ten of Pentacles. Why the Ten of Pentacles is here? Two of Pentacles. So yeah, so now I feel that you have started being busy, work life, home life, no time to just think about those past things, and it is really good going in present. Let's see why Two of Cups is here in the future energies. Eight of Cups. So things will mend up. I feel that somebody is coming back to its form. It might be a broken relationship which is coming back, but more than that, I feel that if anyone comes back, it's like you are not ready to accept those things, those people who have betrayed you, who have just left you, and they are like, what is going on? Somebody is going to come to make their way towards you. Queen of Wands. So I feel Leo energies over here. Leo and Taurus energies. Strong Leo and Taurus energies are here. Why the Queen of Wands is here? Eight of Pentacles. This can be a work relationship. Person from your work, might be a Leo, somebody coming towards you. I feel, Taurus, there is no goodbyes. Goodbyes are not meant forever. Something like that. I feel in this reading of yours. It's like you have started moving on, and things will literally change in the coming future. Let's see why the Hierophant is here. The Tower. Yeah, something, a foundation which was broken, a tower which was broken is going to start again. Basically, a foundation becoming, building again. Yeah, it seems like, but let's see, because your situation is really complicated. Your present is very beautiful, which is coming up over here, Taurus, but your future is like people coming in and going back. It's like a cycle which you might get involved. So I feel that this Judgment and the Wheel of Fortune, these are the most important cards right now for you. It's like a transformation, a decision which you need to make in your life, whether this person or whatever the situation was in your life, it has to end. There has to be a proper ending. If someone comes again, then leaves again, do not enter in this wheel again, okay? Do not just enter in this cycle again. Otherwise, same things will happen repeatedly, and you will be like, I'm just entering again and again in the same cycle. The person has left me, but now when they are trying to come in, what I'm doing. Okay, so things might become complicated in this month of April, but you need to clear your mind. Your mind should be clear. The decision making has to be strong, not like the past. All right. So that is all from my side, Taurus. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.